Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. Everybody has heard about DeFi, but do you really understand what it is? In this video, we'll try to figure out what DeFi means and how it became so popular. DeFi, aka Decentralized Finance, is a new form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries. Instead of using a third party, DeFi uses an application through blockchain technology, also known as DeFi protocol, to connect users directly. Its products and smart contracts maintain the fulfillment of agreements. DeFi is fundamentally different from traditional banking services, not only because it eliminates third parties, but also because it makes transferring digital assets between wallets much cheaper and faster than using a bank transfer. Moreover, DeFi is a great option for people who do not have access to banking services. All they need to participate in the DeFi ecosystem is to have a smartphone with internet access. The source code of DeFi projects is transparent and open for audit. This eliminates the risk of possible bankruptcies of the banks. However, this does not turn the DeFi ecosystem into a money printing machine, and the risks in this area also exist. We will talk about the risks a little bit later. There are different DeFi use cases: lending and borrowing, exchanges, stablecoins, derivatives, portfolio management, lotteries, payments, insurance. The most well-known DeFi projects are Uniswap, SushiSwap, Yearn.finance, MakerDAO, Avalanche, Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, Terra Luna, Polygon, Solana, and many others. According to CoinGecko, the combined capitalization of DeFi projects is about $150 billion. An important advantage of DeFi applications is independence from third-party influence. Furthermore, it is borderless, permissionless to participate, and runs without a central authority. There is full control of the user's money. The disadvantage of DeFi is that smart contracts can have errors, as well as the fact that programs may be hacked. So far, DeFi relies almost entirely on the Ethereum virtual machine. If the popularity of DeFi grows, it will be further entrenched in the technical limitations of the Ethereum network. Let's keep an eye on the development of the DeFi trend together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.